Hi, this is Rob Leo, and in this 2-minute drill, we're going to take a look at how you can save Microsoft Office files as Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides. Let me share my screen with you. I've already uploaded some Word docs, some Excel spreadsheets, and some PowerPoints to my Google Drive. I'm going to open up the Word doc. And you can see there's an option to open with at the top of the screen. If you don't have it connected yet, you can open with Google Docs. If you need to connect more apps, you can connect more apps and search for Google Docs, but most likely Google Docs is here. When it opens up, you're going to be able to edit this Word document directly within Google Drive. Yet this is not yet a Google Doc. This is called Office editing. You can use doc sheets and slides to edit and share Office formatted files. I'm going to skip the tour. You can tell this is a Microsoft Office file by the extension here in the big blue square, DOCX, a Word document. If I want to truly make this a Google Doc, I need to make a new file. And to do that, I'm going to click File, Save as Google Docs. A new tab will open. It will look nearly identical. The editor is still the same. Everything about it is pretty much the same, except this is truly a native Word doc, whereas this is truly a Google Doc. And if you go back to your Google Drive and return back to the drive itself, you're going to notice that there are now two files. And notice the icon. Blue is for Word, blue is for Docs. Two files, same title, different extension, but the same title and same content. The same is going to hold true for PowerPoints. We're going to do our open with Google Slides. And the same will be true for Excel and Google Sheets. We're going to click on File. We're going to skip the tour. Once again, File, Save as Google Slides. New tab opens. New file is created. And again, back in your drive, you now have a Google Slides. One last thing I won't show is the one for the Excel spreadsheets comparing themselves to Google Sheets, but notice green, blue, and orange, three colors affiliated with each one of the Microsoft products and its Google equivalent. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this useful.